Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be ripping open some Donruss baseball. Hey guys, found this 2022 Donruss baseball hanger box. This will be my first hands on the Donruss cards. We have 6 hollow orange and 2 diamond parallels per box on average. Alright guys, wish me luck. Let's see what we could pull out of here. I didn't really care for the base design with all these 3D squares over the beautiful photos, but I did like the inserts. There was some pretty nice inserts in here. Let's see if we could pull a Wanda. Alright, Josh Donaldson. See, this is what I mean with the squares here over the photo. Hey, wait a minute, that's a Juan Soto. Sweet. Nice. I like it now. Sandy Alcantara. Zach Wheeler. Dylan Carlson. Kevin Guzman. Kyle Hendricks. Nice. Joe Adele. Sean Manaea. Noah Syndergaard. Freddie Peralta. Nathan Eovaldi. Frankie Montas. Nice. Johnny Bench. Sweet. Jackson Kowar, rated rookie. Diamond Kings. Adolis Garcia. I like the Diamond Kings this year. They're pretty nice. Juan Yepes, rated rookie. Another Diamond Kings of the one and only Tatis. Can't wait till he comes back. Ryan Velarde, rated rookie. Dylan Carlson. Connor Siebold, rated rookie. Diamond Kings of Wilson Contreras. Eli Morgan, rated rookie. Stan the Man. Nice one there. Roansy Contreras, rated rookie. Diamond Kings of Sandy Alcantara. And a Greg Deichmann, rated rookie. Alright, sweet Mike Trout Diamond Kings. Nice one there. Loving it. We have a Ty France. Sweet Frank Thomas. Garrett Cole. Ryan McMahon. Yon Moncada. Zach Allen. Walker Buehler. Jazz Chisholm. Ozzie Smith. Nice. Jose Altuve. Ryan Mountcastle. Jacob Stallings. Cal Ripken. Cool. This guy, Marcano. Alright, and our orange is J.P. Crawford, J.T. Realmuto, Brandon Belt, Francisco Lindor, Spencer Strider, rated rookie. Nice, Babe Ruth, sweet. Nice elite card. Nice. Anthony Rizzo. Beauty. And the last card. Nice. Marvel's Shohei Ohtani. Love it. Man, that was a cool little box. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for stopping by for these few minutes. I really appreciate it. Until next time.